Colin Granville.
Why didn't you do it in the first quarter?
Well done, young man. Thank you very much.
Roland, your photograph.
Second.
Yes. Sorry, can you just go back again? The camera's switched off. Thank you.
Second. All right. Real is it? Yeah.
Just the second prize.
Just a second.
I was say it, that's what
Thank you very much. Third, Jay Harris.
He's gone.
He's gone.
So we'll keep that one.
Right, second, class 3, local hydraulic tractor ploughing. First, Richard Hartnell.
Well done, Richard.
Get a photograph
Well done, Richard.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's it, and the Newbury Cup. I forgot to have that in.
What's the Newbury Cup?
What have you got in your hand?
What was another one, did it? No. Thank you very much.
Second, Roger
Mr. Hart,
Peel.
no, sir.
Sorry, that was it.
Not me, you think, really.
Well done.
Well, that's there, isn't it? No, here.
Right,
Well done, Richard.
reversible. Ploughing. First, Colin Reid.
Oh, lovely day, yeah.
Second, Gene Bully.
Photograph, Colin, please. Colin.
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 Third, Ken Gibbs.
Well done, Colin.
No Ken Gibbs. Cut. First, M. Holloway. And the SJPA Challenge Cup. Second, E. Williams. Right, vintage tractor and trail plough. First, Golden Smell.
Should be Heman.
Second, R. Heyman.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Well done.
Third, Peter Stone.
Yeah, got them right.
Vintage tractor, hydraulic plough. First, L. Hill. Sign this end of it. No.
We want your autograph, John.
Second, K. Phillips.
What?
Thank you very much.
They couldn't have judged it that end. No way.
Third, Colin
You
Hurd.
got that top end. No way.
Next one, Class 8 Classic Tractor and Plough.
You haven't done a third?
First,
third one.
Escort.
Haven't we got a third?
And we got
Yeah, we're
third
third.
for the high cut, or the
hydraulic.
Oh, you got
Oh,
that.
you got them. Oh, they didn't give it out.
F course. Richard. Gone.
I expect they.
Yeah, he is gone, isn't he? Second. M. Williams.
I will take that one anyway.
I took the D down, call it formal. What
Yeah, gross. Well, we're taking that one anyway.
Thank you. On to take now, right?
Eastus. Third, A. Eastus. Well done. The new class, Multi Furrow, and a new cap, kindly donated by the Gibbons family. Right. This is the first time we've had this class, so anyway, first, G. Henson.
Yes.
Well done. Whenever you're fully tough, you turn around the other way.
You might be.
Can we have your autograph? Can we have your autograph, please?
Second, A. Haywood.
He's got a.
Third, A. Bickley.
Around that band there, whatever. It's just a new cup, you see.
Thank you.
Is there a cup for the next one? So you're the best turn.
Right, the champion ploughman for the day is M. Holloway.
That's a big one.
Well, yeah, because he won't be down. He won't be down forever, will he?
That's right,
Yeah.
Class over that gentleman's gone home.
Oh, yeah.
There's nothing in those.
No, Grandma.
That's
I've got a spare cup in there.
Yeah, it's a nice new cup. First name on it.
First name,
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh yes, that's a champion. Michael Holloway.
Thank you. Best general purpose by a local ploughman is our Hartnell.
Yeah, I've done it.
Oh, the brilliant little thing to join us up.
The Bishop Cup. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I would take him back.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Banks plate, best local ploughman is Ken Gibbs.
Thank you very much. He isn't here.
No, he isn't here.
Well, that's all right, because I'm getting engraved anyway.
The Turo Cup,
Steel was worth it though.
this is local again, the best start and finish, our Hartnell.
Come on. So you're going to have to buy a silver.
I can do that with all minute. Thank you very much.
And you got to engrave them.
Thank you very much.
Was there anything else?
Oh, come on.
We've got the best turn. First, second, and third. So it's D.
Difficult to get.
Yeah, I was going to say, you've got to squeeze in a bit.
Right,
D. Harvey.
let's give the best turnout. First is Martin Smell. Oh, sorry, wait a minute. Yeah, sorry, yeah. D. Harvey, sorry.
Don't go too far.
D. Harvey isn't even here. He wasn't even here. He wasn't even here. He wasn't even here. Dennis wasn't here. No.
Well, that's our
Computer.
we'll give that to Martin then.
It must have been Martin.
Give
Yeah.
that, Martin.
Yes.
Oh, you T-Web. That's all right. Oh, yeah. Well, gee, all right.
Well, you said Dennis Harvey. You said Dennis Harvey.
Sorry, Martin. Sorry, we'll get there in a minute, Martin.
It's your turn now.
Yeah. Oh, you mustn't listen to the spec names.
Dennis didn't come, thank you.
Don't listen to the spec names.
That's it then, that's all good. And those are the ones that we haven't handed out because people weren't here.
Right. I think that's it. Once again.
First aid.
Oh, yeah. Hang on a second.
In there, Toad.
Where does Sally go to?
And all your competitors. I'd like to congratulate all the ones that have won prizes, and all those that haven't won a prize, you keep going, you'll get there one day.
That's right.
All have a safe journey home.
I gotta get that other one too. I gotta sign for him. Gross. Yes. Yes, he did. He won the cup. He won it. So we'll take it for him. I know.
So what
He had first. He had first, and he won the cup.
because I used to phone right now.
Yeah. Still give away the flowers. Wait a minute. Yeah. So we said we'd because
Oh yeah, because I'm gonna say
yeah, he had first.
so we had first and
Welcome, Chris. We'll take gross cup. Oh, fine.
That was production SIDMOUTH Junction at FENITON, ploughing match on the 8th of the 9th 2013. Production company was ADR Films, director was ADR, cameraman was ADR, that's Adam David Reynolds, and that's a wrap.